No.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is my first project of the salvaged exercise equipment that the local high school threw away. And I purchased this worm drive winch at Harbor Freight a couple weeks ago, and I modified it for my purposes. It came with a crank handle, but the problem with that is the ratio is 40-to-1, so it takes 40 turns on the crank to revolve the spool only one time. Well, that's way too slow for my purpose for a keg lift. So initially I just shortened the throw on the lever, and that increased the speed somewhat, but it still wasn't enough. So I had to just do away with the lever, and I built my attachment for the winch so that I can flip it around like this and then add a drive here for a drill to the worm drive, and just simply attach a drill to that thusly. And now I'm ready to use the drill to raise and lower the keg. And it's much faster. Now you can back up and there's very little resistance to the drill. You could work it by hand, but the bracket makes it easier for women to use it at the brewery. And when the barrel is almost full of water, so it duplicates the weight of a full keg of beer, and it still rolls very nicely on concrete with an almost full barrel.